Day 7. Where's day 7? Okay. This was kind of an adventurous day. You can see woke up with some kitty and puppy attention. We'll play kids and some nature. Oh, but not this bird, but the next bird. Coming up here, check out the sounds this one makes. Oh, yeah, we went and found some more waterfalls Twin Falls. We're not far from there on the road to Hana. And then hiked around there. The upper falls were closed due to flash flood warnings and washouts. And these islands have suffered a lot of damage from the heavy rains they've had recently. And a nice soaked ride back. Roosters are everywhere on these islands, and for some reason nobody's eating them. But we left there and went to Wailea Beach, if I'm pronouncing that right. And that's where this rooster was. You can see the beach there, when recently reopened after being closed from flash flood warnings and other water damage. However, the birds here, amazing, beautiful birds. Legs are very insect-like. Yeah, I had my 360 camera in a dive case to this day, so some of the footage was very watery. The camera got pretty warm in there, and so it made humidity stick on the inside of the lens cover, so it distorted some of the views here. But I still wanted to give you the sense of the boardwalk, which goes on for quite a while. In fact, we didn't go to the end. We cut down to the beach before we got to the end. And since I was relying on this for most of my video, I didn't get as much footage as I'd want of the beach. But I did take some still shots, and you can see that the water out here is brown. It's the muddiest ocean I've ever seen. Caused by all the water runoff, mud runoff of the hills from all the rains and stuff, just flooding into the ocean. Still, it's beautiful out. One of our few weather breaks here. Haha, sea urchin. They attacked me, and now I find them just sitting there. So I took the drone out just to do a little flyover over the property. The notion of seeing what it'd look like to build a little deck up on the roof. Want to know what the views would look like up there. Sun was going down. There we are. DJI cameras are amazing. Watch when camera aims downward how it lights up. I mean, you can't tell how dark it is now. It just looks like daylight out. This is all their property. My kids' property goes, well, there's a little church property on the right there, but right through the middle here, all theirs. Even coming up to these buildings you see now, those are their rental properties. I have 2 or 3, I think. And how far are we back from the house here? That's the house lit up there in the middle. Bringing it back. This is the first day it wasn't raining too hard to do this. The clouds were high enough. Yeah, and let's take a look at the bathroom. We cut the siding off the edge there. We did some more trim inside. Got the door mostly hung. A little more work to do. And that was day 7. 9 more to go.